Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we bought this $500 Opel Corsa SRI or Holden Barina, and it's time to start cleaning her up. So I think we'll clean it up, check the fluids, and then we'll take it for a test drive and see where we're at. Alright guys, so we've cleaned up the Opel. She's looking not too bad for a quick clean. Wheels cleaned up alright. But moving on to the engine, we've got the 1.8 litre, which is the reason we got this car, because it's only about 1,000 kilos, 1.8 litre manual, and we're going to enter this in the WA Speed Event series. So we've checked over the fluids, it's got all oil. We've got some stuff we can rip out here to remove weight, but being the class we're in, we're restricted in what we can do, but we still can do a fair bit. But I also want to be able to leave the option to actually get this thing registered. So checked up all the fluids. It's actually not too bad, but I have got a plan of what we are going to do. We did run a scan check because it had an engine check light when I got it. As you can see here, it came up with the EGR valve needed to be replaced. We've cleared the code and it hasn't come back, so probably going to replace that. That's just down in here anyway. So I think we're going to do spark plugs, coil packs, timing chain kit. We'll replace this MAP sensor over here. We're going to make a custom air intake. We're probably going to modify the exhaust within the regulations. And yeah, we'll just give this thing a birthday. Try and make some handling differences. We can still go springs, can't go coilovers. So we'll give this thing a bit of a test drive. We have, just in case you're wondering, got a permit because we're working on this thing. So we'll take this thing for a drive on a permit, see how she goes. Alright, here we go guys. We're taking the Barina SRI 1.8 for a test drive. It's been starting better since been starting it every day for a few weeks. Obviously wasn't driven around for very long. Thought I'd take you guys for a lap around what used to be a street circuit and see if there's any problems with the Barina or anything I can notice. This was a street circuit back in the 50s, and there you can see, quick beep means one of the indicators is out, but yeah, it was a street circuit, slows down, but good thing to test the Barina out on. It's got good power for such a little car. And at the moment I can't really hear any knocks or rattles that I'm worried about. Yeah, making good power in the mid-range is what I want. See how it goes around this corner. Nice tight left here. Loved it. It actually points really well and goes where you want to go. Definitely going to fit the purpose for class, even with the old tyres on. Even fourth gear up the hill here, half throttle and just cruising. If we get a clear corner around here, we'll give it a bit of a squirt through first and second. Good power. Now up here they did ruin this part of the street circuit. A bit unfortunate, but it's perfect for testing for what we need to do, because it's got these short little chicanes. Just got to make sure no one's coming the other way. Oh, this just goes exactly where you want it to go. This is going to be good. Another one. Actually called Bathurst Street. Another one. I put these here because it was such a fun street to drive down, obviously enough. So I don't actually hear any knocks or rattles that I'm worried about. So I think it's just getting the engine ready to go. This would have been a great street circuit in its day. It's unfortunate they don't do it anymore. Even the brakes feel okay. They were pretty bad when I first got it, but yeah, it's driven it a bit, starting it up a bit, and she seems to be pretty good. No engine check light. We should be able to get going on the upgrades and make the most out of the class that we're going to put it in. So overall, pretty good test drive. Pretty happy with that for myself. Let's take it back. Well, there you have it, guys. We got started on the Barina. We got it cleaned up, taken it for a test drive, and I'm pretty happy with how we've gone with this one. Should make for a good project going forward. But yeah, stick around. We're going to modify it up, but I'm going to get back into the XR8 for some more modifications before we get going on this. But yeah, this should be a fun little project and we'll get racing with it. So like, subscribe, do all the fun stuff. Till the next one, see you later.